What can you say sa imong new hair, Kuya Mike?
Hair. Well. Hmm?
What can you say?
How is it?
We're on kindergarten. Moro to mo. Well, what can you say before and after?
Well, before is I like the hair because can very oh. No,
The
it's
extra
already,
season.
now my hair is some kind of look at that, right? You can see the strand in my scalp, right? No dandruff, right?
No dandruff, only scalp. Okay, and then what else?
Problem is, I don't have much hair. Only with somebody.
And then? Kayo, what can you say sa new hair ni Kuya Mike?
Oh, no. Saan mo nag-book no? Saan may nuwa to?
Oh, si Piolo? Piolo.
Saan nga Piolo?
Unsay ma-comment ninyo sa new hair ni Kuya Mike?
Comment.
Oh, comment.
Or classmate na pag-kinder. Kato nakalimbang.
What can you say about my hair?
What can you say about his hair?
Alright. Any comments? Any suggestions?
Violation?
Violations?
Violence? Violence?
No, it's a cream. Siya.
It's a what?
Cream. Siya. Coffee. Cream.
So, coffee and cream, not coffee and
No.
milk.
It's coffee and cream, but very black coffee. Right, look at that.
Ah, you're the dark chocolate and then he's the vanilla.
No, it's the milk.
The milk. Oh, George, what can you say?
The coffee and the milk.
Yeah.
Coffee milk.
Coffee and the milk.
Oh, George, what can you say? Kuya Mike's new hair.
More damage.
The door is angry.
Needs a lot to be done.
Needs a lot of surgery.
Sino may maparehas na nitong?
Here.
Oh, no, we need to ebonize here.
Ebonize.
Here. Or put it here. Or here. Right? What was that, huh? Ebonize. Like my ear. Ebonize here, then put it somewhere here. Somewhere here.
Needs a lot of calamansi.
What, to make it sharpen?
Kita ko to.
Put my hair. Just touch my hair. You may touch my face, not my hair.
Kuya Mike, you have
No, gabutong sa mo, ano, bigla. Saksak na lang. Bigla ko to. Hi. Hello.
Janelle, ali sa...
You like my hair?
What can you say, Kuya Mike's new hair?
you should have cut it before.
What?
Some
My
time
leg?
ago.
My neck.
You look like Jacob.
Oh, thank you. Jacob.
Jacob. Jacob Sibot.
What's up my hair?
Touch my leg, not my hair.
The.
Dapat ko isulti. Kuya Mike looks younger than his age.
Ana.
I know he's already 68 now.
Kuya Mike, do you agree that you're already 68 and then you look like, what, 30?
No.
67 and a half.
Ay, my God. Kakas ba? Ano
Cut it out.
memory?
Cut it out. Cut.
So, this is the end of Kuya Mike's. This is this is the new hair.
The new face, the new look.
Kuya Mike, gikan ka gikemo. Gikan ka gikemo.
Ow, ay, ulit. Spell orange.
Hey.
Sabi na ko great.
Pareha mo sa'yo.
Ang katawa mo ka. Bilag. Hindi ka tumao.
Ano, meron sa akong pangalan. Large with letter F.
Francis? Ferdinand?
F yun.
What?
F right.
Cut.
Unsa man?
Cut my leg.
Cut your leg, ale.
Not my leg.
Be, the new hair, be.
And sa may characteristic na naan.
Char.
Sa may characteristic.
Oh, mana.
Char, letter A.
Huh?
Huh?
Characteristic na ko lang start.
Hungry? Sabat?
Ano?
Wow.